Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, one day. This is the last day before Thanksgiving. I will admit, I did run to the grocery store first thing this morning. I was in and out, got everything I needed, got my fresh bread, got some extra milk, and I got a couple other things. Okay, today, I'm not cooking at all for dinner. Today is Pappa Murphy's. Robin picked it up. Dinner is done. It's not done. It's prepped. So basically, this is a ham pizza, but I'm adding crushed pineapple to it because I like the crushed pineapple versus the chunk pineapple. And there's some hot sauce for me and for you folks. Okay, so is major prep day. Today I'm going to be prepping the dressing, the corn casserole, the compound butter for the turkey, and I'm going to be baking apple crisp. So here's all my recipes and guidelines I'll be using today. My kitchen is ready. There's a bunch of goodies already on the counter. In that paper bag is my bread. So, which I plucked apart on Monday. And it's been getting nice and stale. So, have a great day. If you have to go to the grocery store, please be patient. Get in and out as best as you can. Stay safe. Stay out of the traffic. If you're traveling, good luck. Again, stay safe. Everybody have a great day. And if I don't see you, happy Thanksgiving from the Casual Chef's Kitchen. And eat great food, which I'm sure you will these next few days, and have fun cooking.